Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And we can see that gold is trading in a narrow range. Market is trading in a narrow range. It means the number of trading opportunities are also very much limited. And chances are very high that market will remain like this throughout the day. Why? The reason is FOMC. You guys must be knowing that FOMC is a major event that can bring a lot of volatility spikes direction to the market, and today is that day. So during the US session, we have the jobless claims, that are initial jobless claims that may not bring much volatility to the market, but yes, FOMC can um, bring a lot of craziness. So please be careful, and beginners, new traders, if possible, try to avoid trading at the time of news, because those big candles are very lucrative, I know, but many people, not many, maximum people lose money at a time of news because of the crazy volatility, because theory is different and market's behavior is different. Okay, and market is expecting that there won't be any changes. Okay, but still, okay, if anything regarding the rate cut or rate hike, okay, obviously will bring a lot of spikes to the market, so be careful. And if you're still not a part of the Telegram community, feel free to join, because today in the morning only, okay, I posted analysis of gold, euro, USD, and also you can see I have posted why news trading often feels like manipulation and is so difficult. If you want to know more about news trading, please go to the post. You can also see I have also posted few trading tips, okay, if you love to trade on news. So feel free to join. The link will be in the description. And if you look at the markets, and even you can see gold edges lower, gold edge lower to around 3380 per ounce on Wednesday, as a stronger dollar offset safe haven demand amid escalating geopolitical tension. Gold steady underpinned by ongoing geopolitical tension. So market is okay, more or less bullish. Okay, more or less bullish because of the ongoing geopolitical tension. Whenever there is a global crisis, gold is bullish. But this time, okay, market is not responding properly, because whenever there is a war type scenario, okay, we usually see gold flying. But this time, okay, in this ongoing situation, tension between Israel and Iran, okay, we can see that gold is not responding that much. Maybe if things escalate, we will see upside on gold, but as of now, we can see that gold is sideways. So if you're a swing trader, if you are a swing trader and you are having a buy on gold, then you can hold your buy position. But if you're looking for a fresh position in the market that you can hold for the next couple of weeks and months, then obviously you need to wait for some time. The best will be to wait till FOMC. After FOMC, if market takes a direction or market shows upset, then you can go for a buy. And if you're a day trader looking for fresh trades in the market, then you can clearly see that this is the present range of the market. Okay, and the problem is that market has already tested the support many times. Means liquidity is present in the market, there is a high chance of SL hunting. Similarly, at the top also you can see market is okay, showing resistance around 3400 area, so liquidity is also there as well. And you must be knowing, guys, that okay, this is a zero sum game. Market doesn't like common things. Whenever a level become common, whenever a level okay becomes okay, tradable, easily tradable for traders, okay, we usually see SL hunting, stop loss hunting, or liquidity grab. So there is a possibility that during the day there can be some SL hunting. So during the day, if you see the market is coming down, then yes, you can look for a buy around 3372 3367 area again, because market has been taking support around this area. So the support of 337267 is very valid, or not very it's valid, okay, but high risk, because market has been taking support around this area. And if market drops, okay, we can look for the next support around 334540. Remember this support area? Yes, 334540 is still very much valid, okay, if market drops. Similarly, at the top, we can look for a sell around 34100. Remember from yesterday, okay, 34101, 341008 is still very much valid okay, as a resistance. During the day, if you see market is going up, market is facing resistance, from we can look for a sell position. Okay, and if we move to a lower time frame like 15 minutes, you can see that this is the range of gold right now. The supports, okay, are common, so there's a high chance of SL hunting. Okay, but still, okay, if you see market is taking support, okay, you are impatient, you can look for a buy position. And 341008 is also very much resistance. If you see market is showing rejection from above, you can go for a sell. Around 3400, okay, also you can look for a sell, but not very good, so be careful. In simple words, trading opportunities are very limited right now. And after FOMC, if you see the market has taken a direction, follow the trend of the market, because right now we do not have any strong levels on the chart of gold, okay, that can hold the market after news. All the levels that we have are very much temporary kind of nature. So it's better to follow the trend of the market after FOMC. And during the day, okay, I do not see any proper opportunity right now, okay, because in a market condition like this, buy at support, seller resistance is the best trading strategy, but both the support and resistance have been tested many times, so be careful. Okay, trades may go wrong. Okay, trades may really go wrong. One thing that you can do is, okay, if you only trade on gold, if market shows retracement, because right now we do not see any retracement sign on gold during the day, if you see any retracement on gold, okay, just draw a Fibo like this. Okay, just draw a Fibo like this, and you can look for buy around these retracement levels. For example, if market retraces from the current level, okay, then we can look for a 30-40 pips bounce around 3392 area. Then we can look for a bounce around 3387 area. Okay, but is this a very good way to trade right now? Obviously no, because we have seen in the last couple of weeks that Fibo is not working great. Okay, Fibo has lost the edge, not working nicely, but still, okay, we can look for some opportunities by drawing Fibo if market shows retracement. Right now, no retracement. After 2-3 hours, if you see the market is showing retracement signs, then you can draw a Fibo like this. Okay, so be careful, and if market is not giving any proper opportunities, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And my dear friends, please be careful, because there are lots of scams also going on in Binance. For example, you can see this group has 46,000 subscribers, but this is not my group. Okay, these are all scams. They are running some investment schemes in my name. Please be careful. Okay, these are not my, okay, my groups.